Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from Group 2 will present the result of our ISAS, which we title Digital Television. My name is Subhanuddin and my colleague Saryanda Surbakti. Next page, what is digital television? Digital television or digital broadcasting is a type of television that use digital modulation and compression system to broadcast video, audio, and data signal to television set. Digital television does not mean that the television set is digital, but rather the signal that is sent is digital signal or perhaps a more precise digital broadcasting. Next page. History of digital television. First, in 1876, George Carey created the selenium camera, which was described as being able to make a person see electric waves. Polnikov, in essence, television media was born due to technological development, starting from the invention of the electric telescope as an embodiment of the idea of a student from Berlin or East Germany named Polnikov to send images through the air from one place to another using metal chips, or what is called an electric telescope with a resolution of 18 lines. His findings are called the forerunner of the birth of television. Because of his perseverance, Polnikov finally found a tool which was later called Chandra Nipkov, or also called Nipkov Seibu. This happened in 1883. Finally, Nipkov is recognized as father of television. Last, John Baird, for example, has demonstrated television in 1924, and the BBC, which is now one of the largest television organization in the world, has been trying to broadcast since 1929. Finally, November 2, 1936 was designated as the anniversary of BBC television. Next page. Digital TV development over time. The development of digital TV broadcasting system in most countries in the world in recent years has taken place so rapidly. Some countries have even completely turned off, switched off their analog TV. The Netherlands has switched off on December 11 in 2006. 2006. The UK has switched off its analog TV on the United States Congress. The United States Congress has given an order to stop analog TV completely in 2009. Likewise, Japan did switch off in 2011. Other European countries and Asia also follow the total migration. Next page. Component on digital TV. 1. Frequency. Technically, the radio frequency spectrum band used for analog television can be used for digital television broadcasting. The ratio of bandwidth used by analog technology to digital television is 1 to 6. So if analog technology requires a bandwidth of 8 MHz for one transmission channel, digital technology with the same bandwidth can transmit as many as 6 to 8 channel transmission at once for different program. Transmitter system. There are 3 standard digital television broadcasting system in the world, namely digital television, or DTV. In America, digital terrestrial video broadcasting or DVB-T. In Europe, an integrated terrestrial digital broadcasting service in Japan. All digital system transmitting system standards are based on UOFDM coding system with voice code MPEG 24 ESDB and DTV and MPEG 1 for DVB-T receiver. To able to capture digital broadcast, the receiver television set must have a device to decode the broadcast. The digital broadcast reception device or decoder called the set-top box or STB. STB is a device that converts digital signal back to analog, so you can watch digital free-to-air TV on analog or TV sets.
Thank you, Subhan. Well, next I will explain about how a digital TV works. First, the signal received by an antenna or parabola can also be with a cable. Next, signal will be booster amplified. After that, the demulator will separating between information signal and carrier signal. Because digital TV use a binary signal, the data will be encoded first by decoder, and the signal will be filtered by the TV screen and speakers. Next page. Okay, there is two main process of digital TV, which is demodulator and decoder, while the equipment to obtain initial information is called a demodulator. After getting the bit stream from demodulation process, the next process is decoding, which converts the received binary information into a message, either image or audio. Next page, now we will discuss about the advantage of digital TV, why it can overthrow the existence of analog TV. The advantage is that the signal is a digital resist. The advantage is that the signal it is resistant to noise. The signal received by a digital TV is a binary signal, not transfer signal, so that the signal to be received will not be distorted or collide with other transfer signal who has wider space. Easy to fix at the reception with an error correction code, more efficient bandwidth consumption, and lower interference effect. Next page. Now we will discuss about the advantage. Now we will discuss about policy. There is already a digital TV policy. The Declaration of Broadcasting Digitalization as part at the International Telecommunication Union (ITU) conference at Geneva Agreement Forum in Geneva in 2006 has agreed that the transition period from analog to digital system will take effect starting in 2005. However, transfer leeway is still given until 2020 for countries that are not ready, and our beloved country, Indonesia, is working on it. Next page. And what the solution that the government give to respond their policy? There is some kind of method like simulcast policy and switch off, socialization mechanism, produce a lot of set-top box, availability of information service center, and clarify of regulation as the rules of game in the event. In the event of violation during the migration process.
Conclusion: digital television or digital broadcasting is a type of television that uses digital modulation and compression system to broadcast video, audio, and data signal to television sets. Digital TV does not mean that the television set is digital, but rather the signal that is sent is a digital signal, or perhaps or more precise digital broadcast. High definition television, or HDTV, namely the International Digital Television Standard broadcast in 16 to 9 format and 5.1 Dolby Digital Surround Sound. Digital TV has a much higher resolution than the old standard. Viewers see clearly contour image with better colors and a wider depth of field than usual. The Declaration of Broadcasting Digitization, as stated at the International Telecommunication Union, or ITU, conference at the Geneva Agreement Forum in Geneva in 2006, has agreed that the transition period from analog to digital system will take effect starting in 2015, with that each country began to migrate from analog broadcast to digital broadcast due to use of digital signal, which were considered more effective than analog signal, which took up quite a lot of space, so that it narrowed the space for other new innovation. So, their presentation from us. Thank you to the who watched our presentation video the end. More or less we apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.